May rewards ba sila kapag pumapatay sila?
Walang reward, ma'am, kung
Walang
police
rewards.
yan. Lalo
Hindi
na
ho.
police. Bakit
Wag-
ako magbigay ng reward sa mga...
Paiba-iba, hindi po.
Trabaho
Paiba-iba po
nila
yung
yan.
sinasagot nyo eh. Hindi ko tinatanong yung mga pulis.
Oo.
Tinatanong ko po yung mga miyembro ng death squad nyo.
Ah.
Binabayaran ba sila kapag nakakapatay sila?
Wala.
Wala. Okay. So, libre lang yung
May I remind the
pagpatay.
Senator, this is just an intervention.
Yeah, sorry.
We have to
I
follow,
apologize,
we have
Mr.
to
Chair.
follow the
Yes,
order.
I
Yes, please,
submit,
please.
Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
The time for Senator Estrada has expired. Senator Villanueva, for just an interjection.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chairman, I've been here for more than 4 hours, and according to the ground rules set by the chairperson himself, we will be staying here only until 4 in the afternoon. So
The latest.
we only have about 38 minutes, and I'm the only senator who did not make any opening statement. And just to expedite the deliberation, Mr. Chairman, may I just be allowed to move that my opening statement be inserted into the records?
Comsec, please. Please accommodate
yes,
Senator
yes,
Villanueva.
Mr. Chairman. And let me just state for the record, Mr. Chairman, our consistency in this particular issue, Mr. Chairman. Since time immemorial, we have been very keen and very serious in our intention to address the problem of illegal drugs. And that is why war on drugs per se is a very noble intention, a worthy, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, of our support, yung war on drugs. Importante lang talaga nakikita natin yung tamang implementasyon at makita din natin, Mr. President, yung root cause of the problem. And that's the main reason why we are all here today. And partly, Mr. President, may I just put also into the record the importance of emphasizing the need to build the capacity of our law enforcement agencies. And I have been consistent with that since 2016, Mr. President, when I became a member of this August Chamber, for our enforcement agencies to uphold human rights as a core part of their operations and training. And number 2, we have been pushing for independent and impartial internal affairs service to thoroughly investigate police misconduct and prevent further brutality. And last but not the least, Mr. President, that I'd like to raise and put into the records is that there have been so many articles and positions that I have been espousing, and we have been calling the government since the day I became a public official, Mr. President. We've been urging our government to view drug or substance abuse to the lens of social justice and public health. Ito po'y base sa mga datos na nakuha natin na talagang isa sa pangunahing dahilan sa paglulong ng ating mga kababayan sa paggamit ng droga ay ang kahirapan po sa buhay. So I would just like to put that on record. If you would allow me, Mr. President, and I think next in line is Senator Bato de la Rosa, who is also having a reservation that this presentation would be your vice chair for today's hearing, Mr. Chairman. May I just ask one question, Mr. President?
Yes, I will use your chairman's discretion. Ask your question.
Yes, Mr. President. Thank you very much. We are very honored that our former president is here with us, sir. Thank you for being here with us. And I just noticed yung pong sinabi niyo po kanina, and I'm humbled and grateful na binanggit po ninyo, Mr. President, kanina na yung programa and war on drugs hindi naman perpekto at sinabi niyo po na meron ding mga kakulangan at pagkakamali. May we know, just one question, Mr. President. Kung kayo po yung tatanungin, Mr. President, ano po yung mga binabanggit niyo po kanina na hindi perpekto, may mga mali po, at ano po yung gusto niyong ibahagi sa amin bilang mga legislators to address these concerns, Mr. President. Thank you.
Sir, hindi tayo nakulang sa batas. Kumpleto tayo. I've been, once upon a time, also a congressman, prosecutor, fiscal, lahat na. Dinaanan ko na lahat, sir. It is really the determination sa local officials Alam mo kasi ang droga is a very dangerous. Kaya as we are talking now, hindi perpekto itong ating bayan. May mga mayor na nasa droga rin, na yumaman dahil sa droga. Makikita mo naman yan eh. Mag-mayor. Tapos, sabihin mo, pagdating dito sa Maynila, may bahay na, maganda. Hindi lang nakikita doon sa probinsya, pero pag nakikita mo dito, kasi makilala, mayor rin kasi ako eh. Makikita mo, magagandang kotse. Mercedes-Benz. Hindi nga ako nakahawak ng tanginang kotse na yan. Makikita mo, maraming, sir, may problema tayo sa droga. Alam mo kasi ang droga, pera. Madali, kaya pumasok lahat, pati pulis. Lahat, it permits the entire fabric of our society. We are talking here of extrajudicial killing, but there is more to it than you look beyond. Kasi it's not really in the killing. Madali yan, sir. Madaling isulbad. Only, sabihin lang ng presidente na sa mayor. Mayor, lahat kayo, tawagin mo mayor. Ginawa ko yan. Tawagin ko, tapos mag-isang order. Tawagin ko sa Malacanang noon. Kinulong ko. Tapos magsabi ako, ganito ang gusto ko. Kaya, pero ito ngayon, sir, maraming mayor na pumapasok sa droga. Kasi nga, pera. Kailangan nila ng pera para maganda yung buhay, para sa kanya, pati mga anak, pati looking forward to fund the next election to stay in power. Ganon ang kultura ng Pilipinas. Hindi lahat. Maraming mayor na matitino. Pero marami dyan pumapasok sa droga or they are on the take for the money. Kaya tignan mo lang, kung hindi doon sa kanilang probinsya, dito mo tignan sa Maynila. Kasi ako, mayor kasi ako, marami akong kilalang mayor. I cannot talk about the governors. Yung mayor lang, kasi may mayor, siligman kami. Kung makikita mo lang paglabas ng patatawag kami sa Malacanang, paglabasan niyan, tinitignan ko lang yung mga kotse lang nila. Mercedes-Benz, gano'n. Hindi naman ako nagmiliit, pero ako, sorry, Joseph.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, yung binanggit niyo po, no, hindi ho perpekto, may mali, at ang una hong pumapasok sa isip niyo na mali ay yung binanggit niyo po, determination from the LGU side, Mr. President. Yes. And when you say determination from the LGU side, sila